I'm gonna be walking you through everything you need to know, right? So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your Telegram, this is our Telegram account, and for you to be able to, let's say you want to reset the auto download settings in Telegram, click on this, right? Once I've clicked on it, you're going to click on the settings. From the settings, you're going to go to the privacy and security, right? Click on it. So okay, sorry, you're gonna go to the okay. So what I'm gonna do right now, click on this, go to the settings, right? Go to the data and storage. You can see the auto download media. It's currently on. So for you to reset it, you can click it. It can be off. You're gonna click on this immediately, right? So because this is basically a step-by-step tutorial. If you don't think this is necessary, so this is basically how you can reset it to download settings. And if you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.